Isn't life best when everything works out? When things are so well thought out that they make our lives easier? For almost 150 years, Geberit has been driven by a passion for developing products and solutions that fit perfectly together and improve people's lives. With the launch of Geberit ONE, we are bringing our know-how and expertise into the entire bathroom. The well-known system behind the wall and the products in front of the wall are optimally aligned with one another, making planning and installation even easier. Nobody can utilize the space behind the wall quite like we do. This enables us to create more space in front of the wall and in the entire bathroom. Our new products in front of the wall boast a puristic look that is not just attractive, but also makes life easier. Geberit ONE's minimalist design ensures fewer surfaces where dirt can accumulate, providing greater comfort. When know-how installed and design meets function unite, everyone benefits from the perfect synergy for better bathrooms.